let's queue up that demo video and go from there.
Great. So this demo video is actually a video that a partner of ours has made, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that video afterwards.
I will type a command called btech. So btech is Teradata's native CLI. In a Greenplum database world, our equivalent would be pSQL, if you're familiar with Greenplum database. So this is their own shipping and native command line interface. I'm now going to issue a .logon command. I'm going to authenticate to Teradata, or what it thinks is Teradata, using the gpadmin account. Prompts me for the password, and we just successfully authenticated to what the CLI believes is Teradata database, when in fact it is actually, as you know, Greenplum. So the next set of steps I'm going to do here is fire off a collection of queries. If you've seen my prior Datometry HyperQ for Pivotal Data Suite demos, this part of this process is going to look very familiar to you. The goal of this step is to demonstrate both ANSI as well as Teradata syntax compatibility. So the first 5 queries are TPCDS. These are standard queries. I did not write them. They're just stock TPCDS queries. And then the last 3 queries are Teradata specific syntax I have written. So let's start going through these one after another. I'm going to copy and paste, and I'll start running these queries. Now, some of these queries spit out result sets that are longer than others, so it may take a second to get all the results to feed through. So here's query 2. I'll start and get ready for query 3. So now query 3. Query 3 is being submitted. It's already returned. Query 4. And I hope as I'm doing this, you see the complexity of the queries being issued here. These are not just a couple lines of SQL. These are fairly complicated queries with a lot of SQL syntax in them. So this is the last of the TPCDSs. And there's the results. So clearly we can demonstrate ANSI compatibility with the new Datometry HyperQ for Pivotal Data Suite offering. Next up is syntax. This query will take a second or 2 longer than most to feed through all the results. Okay. No from clause. And in this third query's case, this is a top-end conditional logic. By the way, for completeness sake, the first query was a group by ordinal. We did a group by 1. And this third query is the top-end conditional. Okay, so now I've demonstrated both the ANSI compatibility as well as the Teradata SQL support.
All right, that's the demo. You said that you had more information to impart about it.
Well, so we started the video a little too quick. I just wanted to say a couple of sentences. So this is a video that our partners at Pivotal have made. And what you saw in there is really kind of the essence of what the whole thing is about. Run queries natively using native tools, native applications against a database that suddenly is actually not the original stack, but through HyperQ has been made fully compatible. And the demo that you've seen there is something that Derek ran on his laptop within a VM that then communicates to the public cloud. So a little bit of the latency of what you've seen there is clearly to the setup. But that is really kind of the essence, and in a nutshell, kind of, I think, really drives home nicely all the functionality and kind of look and feel as well as capabilities of the system.